Welcome everybody to Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm going to talk to you about Fetty Wap's Again off his self-titled album produced by Peoples. The preset is in Refix Nexus. It is under the Psytrance expansion pack, and the preset is called LD Mono Lead. And that was the main preset to Fetty Wap's Again. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or requests, leave a comment in the video. Check out our social media for any sound searching news. This has been Sound Searchin, and I'm out.